Did you know that there are 3 common habits that are silently killing your chances of ever becoming rich? Most people don't even realize it. But these 3 things are stopping you from building wealth, no matter how hard you work or how much you earn. If you're serious about your financial future, stick around, because this video is going to uncover those 3 things. And once you know what they are, you'll have the power to change your financial destiny. Now let's dive in. The first thing stopping you from becoming rich. Lifestyle inflation. Have you ever noticed how, as soon as you start earning more, your expenses seem to magically go up too? This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest traps preventing people from building wealth. Here's how it works. You get a raise, and suddenly you feel like you deserve to live a little better. You upgrade your car, move into a nicer apartment, buy more expensive clothes, and start dining at fancier restaurants. It feels great, right? But here's the problem. As your lifestyle gets more expensive, you're left with little to no room to save or invest. Ask yourself, how much of your income are you actually saving right now? And how much more could you be saving if you weren't always upgrading your lifestyle to match your new income? Think about this. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. The richest people in the world didn't get there by spending every extra dollar they made. They were intentional with their money. So how can you avoid lifestyle inflation? Here's the key. Live below your means. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being smart with your money. If you can keep your expenses stable while your income grows, you'll have a lot more to invest in your future. The second thing. Stopping you from becoming rich. Not investing early enough. The second thing that's holding you back from becoming rich is waiting too long to invest. So many people think, I'll start investing once I make more money, or I'll figure it out later. But the truth is, time is your biggest asset when it comes to building wealth. Let me ask you, have you started investing yet? If not, what's holding you back? The earlier you start investing, the more your money has the opportunity to grow. That's thanks to the power of compound interest, where your money makes money, and that money makes more money. The longer you wait, the less you'll benefit from compounding. Think about it this way. If you invested just $200 a month starting in your 20s, you could retire a millionaire. But if you wait until you're in your 40s or 50s, you'll have to invest a lot more money each month to catch up. And even then, you might not reach the same level of wealth. If you haven't started investing, don't panic. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is today. And it doesn't take a lot to get started. You can begin small with low-cost index funds, or if you're ready, consider looking into real estate or other investments that have the potential to grow over time. Before we dive into the third and final thing stopping you from becoming rich, if you're finding value in this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps spread this message to more people who need to hear it, and I appreciate your support. In fact, drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest financial goal is. Are you trying to save for a house, retire early, or start a business? I'd love to hear your story and help you along your journey. The third thing. Stopping you from becoming rich. Not having a plan. The third thing that's stopping you from becoming rich is simple but powerful. Not having a clear financial plan. You wouldn't get into your car and just drive without knowing where you're going, right? But that's exactly what most people are doing with their money. They're drifting without a plan. Ask yourself this. Do you know exactly where your money is going every month? Do you have a plan for paying off debt, saving for retirement, and building wealth? If you don't have a clear financial roadmap, it's easy to get off track. Without a plan, it's hard to stay focused, and you'll find yourself spending money on things that don't bring you closer to your financial goals. That's why the wealthiest people don't just have income, they have a strategy. Here's how you can start. Set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve in 5, 10, or 20 years? Whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or becoming debt-free, having a specific goal will give you direction. Create a budget. I know budgeting sounds boring, but it's one of the most powerful tools you can use to control your money. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make intentional choices about how you spend, save, and invest. Prioritize debt payoff. Debt is one of the biggest wealth killers out there. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can keep you stuck in a cycle of payments. The faster you can get rid of debt, the faster you can start putting that money toward investments. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts every month, so you're consistently building wealth without even thinking about it. Once you have a plan, stick to it. Of course, life happens, and things will change, but having a roadmap will keep you on track, even during the tough times. Now, here's one of the most powerful financial quotes that I want you to remember. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. That's a quote from Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This quote really sums up the secret to wealth. It's not just about making more money. It's about keeping more of your money, investing it wisely, and creating lasting wealth for future generations. So, are you ready to start making your money work for you? To wrap this up, I want to leave you with this thought. The road to wealth isn't easy, but it's worth it. If you can avoid lifestyle inflation, start investing early, and create a financial plan, you'll be miles ahead of most people. But it all starts with you. You have the power to change your financial future. Every decision you make today will impact the wealth you build tomorrow. So, what's holding you back from taking control of your finances? If you've been putting off budgeting, investing, or creating a plan, don't wait any longer. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Remember, your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. You have what it takes to become financially free. Don't let these 3 things hold you back. Take control of your money and start building the wealth you deserve. If this video resonated with you, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. And don't forget, drop a comment below with your biggest financial challenge or goal. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey to financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Take action today, and your breakthrough is just ahead.